Exercise number 155. Be ready? Okay. From time to time, we have discussed the question of the influence of the press, and you cannot deny that on all occasions I have been able to make out a fairly strong case for the justification of the statement that journalists on the whole work for the cause of progress, and if you should not be willing to allow this, they would be unduly condemned for that for which they were not altogether responsible. You will recollect that some time ago, I cannot say the exact date, you stated that you were not satisfied that the influence of the press was for good. I would not reopen this question so soon again if it were not for the speech of one of our leading orators the other day, which impels me to write a few words respecting it. He was the principal guest at the annual dinner of the local press club, and I have carefully perused more than one report of the speech in the several newspapers in which it has appeared. He said he was getting on in life and for some time past and withdrawn from public life, and hoped that the had done with public speaking. The great terror of every public speaker in his time was the reporter, but some extent, and to what extent is apparent from a study of newspapers. Pressmen had ceased to report the speeches to which it was understood the whole community were looking forward with breathless interest. Stop.
Exercise 155. From time to time. From time to time. We have discussed. Able to make. Able to make. Justification. Justification. Journalist. Journalist. Next one. And if you should not be. And if you should not be. They would not be. They would not be. They were not. They were not. Some time ago. Some time ago. That you were not. That you were not. I would not. I would not. If it were not. If it were not. Of one of our. Of one of our. The other day. Other day. And I have carefully. And I have carefully. More than. More than. In which it has appeared. In which it has appeared. For some time. For some time. Withdrawn. Drawn. Public life. Public life. In his time. In his time. To some extent. To some extent. what extent, to which it has, to which it was, to which it was. Looking forward, looking forward. Breathless, breathless.